We'll guide you through how to use Google Docs features effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Google Docs by going to docs.google.com and logging in with your Google account. Once you're in, create a new document by clicking the plus sign on the left sidebar. Now, let's explore some of the key features. At the top menu, you'll find options like File, Edit, View, and more. Click on File to see options like creating a new document, opening an existing one, and downloading your document in different formats like PDF or Word. Under Edit, you can find tools for undoing changes, copying, and pasting. Moving on to the Insert menu, this is where you can add tables, images, and even drawings to your document. Adding a table can help you organize data neatly. Just click Insert, then Table, and choose the dimensions you need. To add an image, click Insert, then Image, and choose whether to upload from your computer or search the web. Don't forget to explore the Format menu where you can adjust text styles, alignments, and even line spacing to make your document look just right. For collaboration, click the Share button at the top right, enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with, and set their permissions to view, comment, or edit. Google Docs also offers voice typing for hands-free document creation. Go to Tools, then select Voice Typing, and click the microphone icon to start speaking. Remember, Google Docs automatically saves your work, so you don't have to worry about losing your progress. These features can really enhance your productivity and make document creation a breeze. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.